But as a student, you've probably dealt with inefficiency, and this inefficiency can cost you hundreds of hours of productivity. And in order to save that productivity, you've clicked on the right video. But before I get into the main contents of this video, I want to make this one thing really clear. Studying at 3 times your normal speed is kind of impossible. I know ये सुन के अच्छा लगता था कि ये टेक्निक करो, वो टेक्निक करो, and उसकी वजह से you will study 3 times faster. मगर that's practically impossible. And let's say for example you manage to study 3 times faster, memory retention will be 0. If you don't believe me, try watching a lecture at 3 times speed. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा भाई. पहले 2 times speed में memory retention इतनी कम रहती, 3 times speed पे literally 0. उससे अच्छा जाके मूवी देख लो भाई, ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव रहता. If you're going to waste your time, waste it effectively. Coming back to the main point, you need to give time to understand concepts, and you need to give time to ingrain them into your brain. याद रखने के लिए for long term memory retention. भाई जब जल्दी जल्दी देख लेते कॉन्सेप्ट को 3 times speed पे, you won't get time to properly absorb the contents at hand. जो कॉन्सेप्ट है you won't understand shit भाई. So पढ़ाई कर रहे तो अच्छा ढंग से करो. So right, now that we've gotten the disclaimer out of the way, let me get into the meat of this video. Studying faster, it's something that we all aspire to do as students. क्योंकि let's face it, पोर्शन जल्दी खत्म हो रहा, अच्छा डोपामाइन हिट मिलता भाई. And the main way to study faster is to increase your study efficiency, which is kind of obvious. So let's talk about ways to increase your study efficiency. The number one way is to get proper sleep. This is obvious भाई. I don't think मेरे को समझाना पड़ता क्यों नींद लेना चाहिए पढ़ाई के वास्ते. This is like literal basic level shit. This is the shit they would teach you in kindergarten भाई. The sleep अच्छे से लियो भाई. ऐसा मत करो कि 4 घंटे सो के कैफीन से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो स्लीप, क्योंकि that is a bad idea. And long run में burn out हो जाओगे. And burning out is not a good experience, man. 0 out of 10 experience. The second tip, be hydrated. Before I lose your attention, let me tell you this one fact. Being dehydrated can reduce your study efficiency by up to 20%. Absolutely crazy, mind-boggling shit, bhai. And you know what? Caffeine can make you dehydrated because it will make you piss more. So keep your caffeine intake in check. Make sure you're getting adequate water. Make sure you're taking sips of water like I am going to take a sip right now. Because your study efficiency depends on it heavily. The third tip is kind of obvious, but it is to take care of your health. The better your health is, the better your study efficiency will be. You know, अच्छे से खाओ, sunlight लियो, exercise करो. All of these things are pretty obvious, man. मेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, मगर people need to be told what to do. And that is completely fine भाई, क्योंकि जो basics रहते थे sometimes slip out of your mind. And the next step is to remove friction. And you may be wondering what do I mean by this? By this I mean कि सोने से पहले बुक टेबल के सामने रहना चाहिए. जो लेक्चर देखना चाह रहे वो लैपटॉप पीसी के ऊपर खुला रहना चाहिए. उतने ही बैठ जाना है पढ़ने के वास्ते. वो फ्रिक्शन नहीं होना कि बुक निकाल रहे, नोटबुक निकाल रहे, पेन नहीं मिल रहा, ये सब नहीं सुन रहना है भाई अभी. You need to prepare for the next day and the night before. The next step, you need to revise. Because let's face it भाई, अगर जो पढ़े वो भूल गए, that is literally inefficiency भाई, that is negative work. भाई जो गान घस के मेहनत करे, जो 12-14 घंटे पढ़ के वो चैप्टर कंप्लीट करे, that will be taken away from you if you don't revise. So revising is essential towards study efficiency. But the next step is kind of obvious, but it is to remove distractions. जब भैया के बात करना चाह रहा, जब मॉम काम दे देते, जब फोन बज हो रहा, नोटिफिकेशन आ रहा, all of these are killing your study efficiency. Reduce these distractions as much as possible. फोन को दूसरे कमरे में फेंक दो, भाई को बोलो कि do not come in this room, I'm studying currently. घर वालों को बोलो keep the noise down, I'm trying to focus on my studies. दरवाजे पे एक do not disturb sign लगाओ. And do not be a dick कि मेरे को पढ़ना है, कहीं को आए कमरे में. Say it in a more mature way, in a more grown up way कि I'm trying to study and I would really appreciate if you guys didn't disturb me. This is for the benefit of both of us because my studies are important. इतना बोल दिए तो बस है भाई. ऐसा नहीं करना कि मेरे कमरे में कहीं को आए, मैं बोला था ना पढ़ रहा था, ये सब नहीं चलता भाई. और अगर ऐसा रिएक्ट कर रहे, it shows that you're emotionally immature. This smoothly brings me on to my next tip, which is to work in 90-minute slots. This is because it matches your ultradian rhythm, which is your focus. It's like related to your focus. I saw this in a Dr. Andrew Huberman episode. Magar what it essentially is that you can focus properly, like intensively, for 90 minutes at a time. This also heavily ties in with flow state. Flow state is essentially a state where you're working effortlessly. जब 100% of your brain is focused at the task at hand. When I'm talking to you, I'm using 100% of my brain. And of course, जब पढ़ रहे actively पढ़ो. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पढ़ रहे दिमाग के ऊपर से चले जा रहा वो. ये नहीं करना है कि आंखा खोल के सो गए बुक के सामने, लेक्चर के सामने. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब एक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े, पॉज फॉर अ सेकेंड, रियली ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. सोचो क्या बोले अप्पी सर. ओके तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट है, समझो हम क्या बोलेंगे, हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रा फॉर एग्जांपल, तो 5 सीरीज है, लाइमैन, बॉलमर, पैशन, ब्रैकेट, पीफंड। तो हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रा में ऐसा लाइक वो उसको इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट पास करे बोले तो दूसरे सीरीज निकलते, ओके ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी मोर ingrained into your brain, therefore improving study efficiency. भैया फाइनल नोट, टेक ब्रेक्स फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम भाई, इट कैन गेट वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग स्पेशली एज अ स्टूडेंट जब इतना सारा पढ़ना है। So it's completely fine to take a break. Don't overwhelm yourself, don't overburden yourself. We are all human at the end of the day. We are not machines, we are not robots. And think of these breaks as maintenance. ऐसा नहीं कि lazy बन रहे break लेके. These are maintenance for your own mental sanity. You won't survive without these breaks, bhai, trust me. This is a mistake which I've made and I don't want you to make that mistake. So yeah, bhai, that is all from your neighborhood friendly civil. And I hope you have a wonderful day and bye.